Alright, hey, this is Hans once again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. On the RamenRater.com, I've reviewed over 3,000 varieties all by myself. So, today we've got another one from Umai Crate. Umai Crate is a subscription service. There'll be info on how to get one of those, and actually info on how to get this one if you just want to get this elsewhere, although it's going to cost you a lot. So I think the Crate's probably a way better deal, but you be the judge of that. So today it's a Kurume-style Ramen from Japan. Sounds good to me. It's by Itsuki. Generally, I've been quite happy with these. Very fond of this brand. So, noodles or water is boiling. And let's look at what we have to put in that said water. We've got noodles. Put this aside. We've got to get the noodles in. Those only cook for 2 minutes. Very short, but then again, when you see these, you'll be like, oh, those are thin noodles. There we go. See? What was that? Yes, they are thin. Well, I know. I totally agree with you. Okay, and we're going to drop you on to 2 minutes, 1, 2, and bam. So, yeah, cool. I got them all out. And then there's a seasoned oil, and I don't know exactly what the seasoning is, but it kind of smelled sesame this morning. So, and then there's a lot of powder. So let's see what's going on today in the universe. Crazy political junk. There's that election coming up that you've already been through, and prediction. Okay, so right now it's boiling over. The world is boiling over. Oh, and for a guy who likes to see things, there's the world done boiling over. So, prediction. Today is the 23rd? Yeah. Of October. You're in mid-November by now, right? This is like the 15th or 16th of November when this is coming out. Prediction. More dirt on Trump about something. Nothing new from the Mueller investigation. A lot of squabbling about the election. And as much as I don't want to say it, the Republicans keep the House and the Senate. Because you freaking scumbags didn't go out and vote for you Democrats. That's okay, I already voted. That's the funny thing too. We only have absentee ballot. There are no polling places here in Washington State. You can't like go and vote. You can go drop off your ballot, but you can't go and vote. That drives me nuts. Like the primaries thing, how it's at they're different times and everything in different states. That drives me freaking insane. Why don't we do it all at the same time? Oh, I don't know. I'm sure there's a certain logic to the ordering of that too. That is good for some and less good for others. I don't know. But what you have to remember too is that the Democratic Party and the Republican Party, neither of those are government organizations. They're clubs. There's really nothing more to them than being freaking clubs. They're not. And they will get together sometimes, and generally that will be to make sure that another club doesn't form and gain a lot of popularity because they want to be the only two. So they're the ones who want to have the party. It goes back to the whole Bernie thing. Oops. Yeah, we don't need that. Plastic piece from the packaging. This looks pretty. I love seeing how let's see if you can see that. I love seeing it when the broth gets that nice oil sheen on top. Let's grab some of that. Come on. Yeah, see that? That's nice. That's a nice thing to see. They mentioned that the Kurume-style broth in the pamphlet that comes with the Umai Crate, they mentioned that it's like, the whole idea is that somebody overcooked the broth, and then but it was good, so now they like overcook the broth all the time or something. Man, that's delightful. Wow. It's like the lightest kind of tonkatsu, very creamy, but light. Almost like a shio tonkatsu mix. Not too much congestion of the... Noodle kind of has that Hakata style, where they're kind of a little chewy and a little doughy in a way, or floury. Yeah. I mean, I usually don't like to say how many stars or what I'm going to give as far as a rating on this kind of stuff, but yeah, that's a 5, no sweat. Easy. It's a good brand. They always have really nice... They represent ramen well. That's the way I feel about it. And I'm impressed too, because I didn't expect that I would like it so much with this style noodle, but I'm happy. Okay. I'm gonna drop one of my eggs in hopes that it came out like super rad. There we are. So, is it going to be super rad? Let's find out. Yeah, that's pretty rad. I'm happy with that. Awesome. And how can you go wrong with a nice slice of that? You know what that is. That's chashu pork making a return to the stage. And it kind of landed on top of the sprout, so I'll put some more in right there. And I'd really like to have some spring onion, like kind of sprank right there. Sprank. And a little bit of the this togarashi that came with I want to say like the August crate. It's very thin. That'll work. So yeah, I'm not you, but if I were, my mouth would be watering right now. I kind of like it that way. What do you think? Let me know. Cool. Delicious. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please click like And please check out these other videos and subscribe and do all that groovy stuff. It's a lot of fun. Fun for me, fun for you. It's fun. So, yeah. Alright, well, hey, this has been Hans, the Ramen Rater. Coming at you once again. Hoping that you enjoy your noodles every day. Have a good one. Goodbye.